Somebody recently requested for me to show you guys how to make a booking page that actually takes payments behind the scenes, lets clients book in, has multiple different options. You can change it depending on the car. I'm gonna show you guys the entire setup for the GoHighLevel service booking page. This is the service booking page's embed code on a website. So you can click book right here. It's gonna show you the location if you guys have a shop, or you can just have them put their location in the form if you guys are mobile. Then boom, you have your 3 different options. So your 2-row, your 3-row, and then your add-ons right here. You can see your total amount, and then you can see due today. So they only have to pay $10 online. Just so you guys don't get any no-shows, I definitely recommend having them pay a little bit up front. This is connected to your Google Calendar, so you can actually have it automatically go straight to your phone and just book it in itself. Let's just say they book in for 9:30. First name, last name, email, phone number. And then they can obviously put their card number right here. So you go to your agency level by clicking switch to agency if you're on a sub level. And then you go to the sub accounts. You click on the sub account, and then you go to calendar settings, turn this setting right here on. Go ahead and click save, and then you can go back onto the subdomain. If you guys want to connect payments, you just come right here to payments, and then you just click integrations, and then just get them to connect their Stripe, their PayPal, or their Square. So you can also come to settings on the bottom left, my staff, and add your client as a staff, guys. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So you can just click add user. You're gonna type in their name, whatever, boom, 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 right here. Type in their email, type in their phone number, and then you guys can click advanced settings. And whatever email they have is how they're gonna log in. Whatever password you make is also how they're gonna log in. So you can just make a really quick random password like that, and you can send them the email, and it's just gonna be that email, the password. They can just log into Lead Connector on their phone, and it's super clean. If you want to connect the Google so they can book in automatically, click on calendar configuration. Whoever is going to be doing the details and needs them in their calendar, make sure their Google is connected on calendar configuration. You can also do this in the integrations. Go to roles and permissions, low-key give them access to everything, and then you can just click save. Come over here to calendars, calendar settings, and this is gonna pop up. If it gives you the default right here, or if it doesn't, you can just click add category. If you wanna separate the car wash, the detailing, the polish, the ceramic coating, you can actually make different sections for everything. Car wash, and then we're gonna add another one. This one's gonna be called detailing. Let's add another one. This one's gonna be called polish. Obviously, if you have more services, like more different types, you can add more. But now we're gonna go ahead and create the services. So you can click new service right here. So we're just gonna make the first one. It's gonna be called interior detailing. It looks like the aspect ratio is 800 by 600. So you can come to Canva, go to custom size after you click create. You can just do 800 by 600. Boom. Come like this. Let's go ahead and download that bad boy real quick. We're gonna click upload from system. We're gonna grab it. Okay, this looks pretty good though. I'm not gonna lie, I could definitely go for this. Building a booking page is only the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more you have to do when able to get consistent bookings, but having a clean booking page is gonna do everything you need and more. If you want somebody like me to build this entire setup for you, run your ads, make sure your CRM is booking in appointments, and make you tons of money, go ahead and click the link in the bio. We'll get working together. Just book a quick call and we'll see what we can do. Looking good. Oh, that's super clean, brother. I'm gonna go ahead and make this a dark black. Might even bold it too. What do you guys think? Bold? Select staff members, your client. How much is the price? Starting at 120. What he's charging a good dollar, eh? How long does it take? 90 minutes, right? Something like that. Do not click buy by service. We're just gonna click add service. And then you guys are actually gonna be able to see what this looks like so far. So we're gonna click view booking page. If I'm a client, I'm clicking that right there. Definitely would recommend to accept partial payment. Hold on, let's just do the rest right now. So this is pretty clean. Buffer time, 15 minutes before and after is always good, just in case. You can press accept partial payment. This is how you're gonna get them to do the down payment, and then you can just make the partial payment like whatever they want to take up front. You can come to add-ons right here, and you can click add-ons. Boom. Let's check out what his add-ons are. Pet hair removal. So we're gonna come here, pet hair removal. This one looks pretty good, no? Yup. Just gonna click save. I have a dog just like this. He's a little fluffy white Labrador. 25 bucks for some pet hair removal. Is there let's just say 15 minutes. I don't think it takes that long. One yacht description. Yeah, he's a little short one right here. Copy the exact description. Hide this from that. Create add-on. Create add-on. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the booking page. See if those images are good. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's keep making this thing look better. Resources. If you guys want to add resources, it could be good for like if they have like employees and stuff. So now, once you have one, guys, you can really do something easy and just called duplicate. Just duplicate it, right? So you're just gonna just say copy. Obviously, you're gonna make a whole new thing, but a lot of the settings are gonna be completely similar. Obviously, category you can select, and then you can just change the custom URL to full dash detail. And then what you guys can do is you can select variations down here, and this is how you're gonna pick the different cars. So it looks like he charges a bit more for SUVs. So we're gonna go ahead and name this one Coupe Sedan. So two different versions. We're just gonna go ahead and click save, service edited, and we're just gonna do that for everything we've made so far. Let's go ahead and go here, click edit, let's go down here, variations, and then let's go Coupe Sedan. Obviously make sure they're in the right categories. I don't think I did that. So these are all detailing, right guys? So we're gonna just put them all in detailing. We can come over to staff. If there's multiple employees, guys, you can do all of the employees. If there's only one employee, you can just do the one employee. Resources, obviously, if they have to like get like a tool bucket or something, whatever, they can do that as well. All the add-ons, ceramic spray sealant. So obviously, I made a mistake. Locations, your house, boom. Look at that. We're gonna go to global settings. You can set what the week starts on, multiple locations if you want to have like a shop and mobile. Add-ons, yes. We're gonna click save changes. No. So for the booking page logo, just gonna go ahead and take your client's logo. Let me go ahead and grab his. It's not. You're gonna have your company name right here. Let's do boom. So service, location. You can do location then service if you guys want. So for the first client you guys saw my list view, and then you obviously saw the card view. I definitely recommend the card view a lot more. But if you guys have way too many services, do the list view because these are just going to be huge. So if you can make it less services, that's low-key better, guys. Depending on your theme, right, we're going to make it... Let's try left side vertical. This is looking sick, brother. I might make it top horizontal, though. Yeah, we're going to go top horizontal. So boom, background color, primary color, English, time format. Let's do the normal 130. Who even says the other one? Book appointment. Let's do book detail. Allow customers to pick who they book with. You guys can turn this off or on depending on how established your client is. I'm just gonna turn it off. Yep. Yeah, you guys can just click round bottom. So go ahead and click save. Let's go to form settings. So you guys can actually make a custom form. I made one called the mobile fill out form. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that real quick. So you can go right here, sites, forms, form, make a form, just press a new, and you're gonna make a form, right? So just copy my form, boys. Just do full name, phone, email, and address. And you can just do city and postal code. Super, super, super clean, boys. Just now, right? We're going to go to global settings, form settings. We're going to do the mobile fill out form. You could do the default one. It's up to you. We're going to do this. Pre-populate is super important. It's going to save some people some time. We're actually going to turn that off just because it's a layer of friction. And then we need to do the thank you page. So what is this thank you page? Make sure there's a thank you page so you guys can actually track the pixel. This is his thank you page. It looks pretty clean. You guys can copy him if you want, man. Boom. So just gonna save those. Payment settings. We should turn this to live. It looks like he didn't connect his yet. So you guys could click pay in person if you do not want them to spend $1 at all. You'll get more bookings, but you'll get a lot of no-shows. You can just click online payment if you want some type of dollars before, you know. And then you can just go to service settings. Minimum scheduling notice, guys. Try to do like 1 day. Make them schedule out for like tomorrow, just so your boss, you know, understands. And then for the date range, I actually recommend doing like, let's say about 20 days. You do not want them booking out super far because they might forget. Rescheduling link expires just like 4 hours before, just so they can't, you know, auto confirm new appointments. Let's click save, additional settings. You could add your pixel here as well if you want. I'm gonna turn both those on. I kind of like them. Let's lock the time zone. Los Angeles. Wait, where is he? Let's go ahead and click save. And then for notifications, guys, this is super important. So unless you have some type of GHL automation set up, you guys can just do this. It's also extremely good. Unconfirmed, you can leave that off. For confirmed, you can turn on both SMS and email. Boom, we're going to click save. Cancellation. We're going to do SMS And we're gonna do emails, perfect. Reschedule, we're gonna do SMS. And we're gonna do emails, perfect. Reminders, I think we're gonna actually be able to do multiple reminders, which is going to be sick. Yep, so you can click right here. Let's do the first one, 24 hours. Let's do 2 hours. Let's do 20 minutes. Let's see. I'm gonna go to email. Let's turn emails on. Let's do 24 hours. Signed user. 4 hours. Signed user. Contact. Let's just do 24 hours. SMS reminders are 10 times better. We'll do 24 hours and 15 minutes for the contact. Nice. And then follow up. You guys can set that up if you want. I like to leave it off. Click save changes. So that's the full setup for creating the booking page. It's absolutely clean. It's absolutely beautiful. And building a booking page is only the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more you have to do when able to get consistent bookings, but having a clean booking page is going to do everything you need and more. If you want somebody like me to build this entire setup for you, run your ads, make sure your CRM is booking in appointments, and make you tons of money, go ahead and click the link in the bio. We'll get working together. Just book a quick call and we'll see what we can do.